We're going to perform an L16 chunk copy. Inside of FILE896, we have these two function stubs, GPU to disk with GPU and the disk. And then we have disk to GPU with disk and GPU selection rectangles here. In this function here, we've now finished it. HI9 L16 to either. Either is whether or not we're going to save or load the memory. We're going to get a generic zero-based enumeration by minusing 1 from this one indexed enumeration. We're going to use this formula here to get the H27. Here's our disk memory selection. Here's our GPU memory selection. We're going to convert L16 to all of these variables right here with all these lookup tables here, right? So L16 to C49, and then we're going to take the C49, put it in this lookup table, get C7x and y, C4x and y. So this is the XY coordinate on our 7x7 grid on RGBA 896. This is the 4x4 cell coordinate on a master memory cell. We're going to get the selection on the disk memory, RGBA 896. They're all 128 by 128 chunks. Then we're going to get the local selection on a master memory chunk using C4x, C4y. The chunks are still 128 by 128. Then we need to globalize the GPU selection because it lives on a larger 2048 by 2048. So we're going to get the two-dimensional coordinate here, multiply by 512, and add this to get a global selection on the GPU memory. And then we're going to either save into disk or load into disk, and that's going to change the direction of the copy. So this is the GPU to disk copy. This is the disk to GPU copy. And then down here, what we did previously, and then footnotes and footnotes. And here's what we did in this video. Here's what we're going to do next. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are here. Source code is here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.